Today, let's explore the basics of setting up your own management consulting LLC. First, what's an LLC? It stands for Limited Liability Company, and it's a popular business structure offering flexibility and protection. So, why choose an LLC for your consulting business? Well, it helps separate your personal assets from business liabilities, offering peace of mind that your home and savings are protected if something goes wrong. Now, let's break down the steps. The first step is naming your LLC. Choose a unique name that represents your brand and ensure it's not already taken by another business in your area. Here's a tip. Keep it professional since it'll be on all your documents and marketing materials. Next, you'll file the Articles of Organization. This is basically your business's birth certificate. It includes basic info like your LLC's name, address, and sometimes the names of its members. Remember, this needs to be filed with your state, and that's where legalregistration.com comes in handy. We can handle all the paperwork for you, making it hassle-free. Before moving forward, take a moment to define your niche within management consulting. Are you focusing on operations, strategy, leadership development, or financial management? Having a clear specialty not only helps you stand out in a competitive market, but also makes it easier to target the right clients and price your services effectively. Think of it as carving out your own lane in the consulting world. After filing, you'll need to create an operating agreement. This document outlines how your LLC will be run, detailing roles and responsibilities. Even though it might not be required by law, it's a good idea to have one to avoid future misunderstandings. Don't forget about getting an EIN. That's the employer identification number, kind of like a social security number for your business. It's necessary for tax purposes and hiring employees. You can get it directly from the IRS. Once again, let legalregistration.com take care of it. Finally, check if you need any local licenses or permits. This can vary depending on where you're setting up and your specific consulting services. Always better to be on the safe side, right? And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up a management consulting LLC. If you have questions or need assistance, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. We're here to make the process easy and stress-free. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on running a successful business. Thanks for tuning in and good luck with your new venture.